Hi everyone, Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you the new Keys Cafe app on your Samsung Galaxy device. So Samsung has completely redesigned the Keys Cafe app, adopting the fresh One UI 8.5 design language. So the home screen now feels smoother, cleaner, and much easier to navigate. So you'll notice a modernized layout that puts customization tool right at your fingertips without all the clutter. So here we'll go ahead and first open up the GoodLock app. Now in the GoodLock app, you want to go ahead and update your Keys Cafe. If you haven't got the update yet, you can go ahead and download the APK from the description down below. I've left a link in the description down below, so you can go ahead and download it from there. You need to make sure you're on 1.8.00.13. So as you can see, this is your new layout. I'll just quickly show you the old layout of Keys Cafe. So this was the old layout, and this is the new layout. So on screen here on the left, I'll put the old layout, and the middle here, you're seeing the new layout. So as you can see, this is the new homepage inside this Key Cafe, which basically introduces really cool usage stats. So you'll be able to see your words per minute, a typo analyzer showing where you most often hit the wrong keys, and even a word cloud visualization displaying your most used words. So One UI 8 takes keyboard theming to the next level, so you no longer need the separate theme park app because theming is now fully self-contained. So you can create and save multiple themes, swap them out anytime, and even go deeper with visual adjustments like changing letter colors, key borders, and gesture trails with custom effects like thickness, color, and transparency. So this is a completely brand new feature where you can now assign functions like copy, paste, undo, and redo to 2 and 3 finger swipes on your keyboard. So there you go, guys. That is the new redesign that makes your typing and customization experience more intuitive than ever. So instead of digging through menus, everything is neatly presented so you can focus on personalizing your keyboard quickly. So it feels less like a boring app setting and more like a fun tool for self-expressions. So there you go, guys. That is the new Keys Cafe app on your Samsung Galaxy device.